I vividly recall the day a luxurious town and country, high-end outdoor carpet arrived in the mail, completely free by the way, setting the stage for an unexpected cleaning miracle. Eager to spruce up my porch for an impending review for this company, I initially wrestled with a traditional sponge and water from an old whipped cream container. The porch felt like it would never get cleaned, no matter how many times I refreshed my water. Frustration peaked until, unexpectedly, I found myself scrubbing my porch with none other than snow. As I embarked on this snowy cleaning adventure, I marveled at how the snow effortlessly absorbed dirt particles, akin to a divine sponge specially crafted by the hands of God himself. The pristine white snow worked its wonders on porches and windowsills, reminiscent of Jesus on the cross, taking away our sins. Cleaning transformed from a chore into a delightful experience, reminiscent of a spirited hockey game. If you happen to have a snowy property, embrace the cleaning magic that nature provides. It's not just a task, it's a snowy escapade, if you will, that'll leave your porch sparkling or even your car. And for those curious about how someone like me, with just a modest following on TikTok or Instagram, receives free samples from companies, stay tuned for my upcoming video on the Classy Cheapskate YouTube channel, because guys, I just so happen to be the queen of freebies for normal folk, so be sure to subscribe and keep an eye out for insights into getting freebies without needing a YouTube channel of your own. Ta-ta for now, and God bless you one and all.